I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to talk about the customer journey funnel, and we're going to go through the template that's available in Canvas. This funnel is designed to take the customer on a journey through the entire funnel, and the end result is actually purchasing your products. And this journey can last a few days or it can last a few weeks depending on how you want to build your funnel. So this is a really exciting funnel that gives you the chance to really indoctrinate your people to be able to understand your expertise, understand that you are an authority in your niche, and to be able to establish that they need your product. So how can different marketers use this funnel? So for coaches and consultants, affiliate marketers, salespeople, offline businesses, and even business to business, all of these niches can use this type of funnel to be able to take the customer on a journey through your funnel and be able to establish use the expert and to get the customer to attend your value-driven webinar that creates excitement and curiosity for the main product that you want to sell. So this funnel usually starts with an opt-in form. So you opt into the email list as a customer, and right after you opt in, you're going to be sent to a sales page. So usually the beginning of this customer journey funnel is collecting an email address and building that email list. So let's talk about how to get into Canvas to be able to create this funnel. The first thing you do is click Add Funnel inside Canvas, and then you fill out the funnel title and the funnel description, and you click Next. Once there, you'll see some templates that pop up. You'll choose the Customer Journey template and then click Create. And now let's take a look at Canvas and go through the entire funnel template so you can see exactly how it's built and exactly how your customers are going to go through this funnel. I'm in the Canvas dashboard, and I'm in the Customer Journey Funnel template. And let's go ahead and go through the entire funnel to see how the customer would go through it. The first page is actually just an opt-in page, and that opt-in page has an opt-in form. So the customer will fill it out and click Submit, and when they do, they're going to go straight to the sales page. When they hit the sales page, there's going to be a checkout for a webinar offer. And this is going to be a value-driven webinar offer that you're going to give them so much value they're going to want to buy it at a very inexpensive price. So they're going to go ahead and purchase it, and then they're going to go to the thank you page that gives them information on how to get to the webinar. Now, this thank you page allows them to jump into a restricted area because they went through the checkout and purchased the product. So this checkout releases Membership Area 1. When they get to the membership page, they're going to get information about their webinar, and they'll register for the webinar on the next page. They'll fill out this form to register. When they click Submit, they'll be sent to the Webinar Indoctrination page. This is the page that's going to tell them about the webinar and what's going to happen. And then when it's time to go to the webinar, they'll click it and go to the webinar broadcast page. This is where you educate them on an even more expensive product that is the bigger product that you're really trying to sell. So you're going to do this webinar to get them excited and to create curiosity and to educate them on your expertise in your niche area. There's going to be a checkout that shows up on this page, and that releases the next membership area where you have content in there that you were selling in your broadcast here. So that's the entire journey. This journey can take just a couple of minutes. It can take a couple days or even a couple weeks. You can stretch it out as long as you want. But the idea of this funnel is to get them through this funnel, get value-driven information on the first membership area so that they really, really want what's in the second membership area. So now let's take a look at all of the different areas that we need to edit to be able to get our funnel ready to create the website. So the first one is the form right here. This form is the opt-in form, and we need to right-click on it and go to Edit Elements. And this is where we can add the service, which is Mailing Boss. We can choose the subscriber list that we want to use. If you don't have a subscriber list already, you can choose Create List. Pending Subscribe and Subscribe Confirmed are already configured for this funnel. You can also right-click the form and go to View Mailing Boss Campaigns. If you click this, it will take you into Mailing Boss, where you can configure all of your campaigns and actually create your email sequence and then come back to Canvas. The next area I'm going to edit is Checkout. So I'm going to right-click it and go to Edit Elements. And here I can put in my title, my price, and my success page is already configured. This checkout releases Membership Area 1, which is all of the pages with the red line at the bottom. And you can see here that the check mark is on Member 1, which is all the red pages. So once they purchase this product, they're going to get access to all of the pages that have the red bar at the bottom because the member area 1 is checkmarked. So all of that's configured for that checkout. I'm going to go to the next item, which is the form right here. This is the form that they use to sign up to go to this webinar. So I'm going to right click it and go to edit. And here I can configure the service. I can choose the list, or I can create one if I don't have one. And you can see that the pending subscribe is already configured for you. So I'm done creating that. I can right click that form also and choose View Mailing Blast Campaigns. And this is where I can go into Mailing Blast and create my entire email sequence for this opt-in form. The next area is the webinar. You'll right click that and go to Edit Element. You need to create a webinar, so you can click this button and create it. Or if you've already got a webinar that you've configured, you go into the webinar settings and get the ID of the webinar and the secret key, put it in there, and that's ready to go. The next area is the checkout offer. When the customer goes through this checkout, the second membership area will be released. So I'm going to right click this and go to Edit Element. I'm going to make sure I have the title. I'm going to make sure I have the price, and my success page is already configured. And if you'll notice, the VIP area is checkmarked. That's going to give them access once they purchase this to access the VIP membership area. So I'm done configuring that page. And that's all you need to configure to get this template ready to create a website. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Save and then OK. And now we're ready to create the website. So I'm going to go up to this button and click Create the Website. And it's going to ask me for a name. Once I put the name in, I'm going to click Create. Now it's doing some great things in the background, and that includes creating your whole website with all of the connections that we have and we created in Canvas. And when it's finished, it will give you a message, and we need to decide which of two things we want to do. Do we want to click OK and stay in Canvas, or do we want to click Access the Website and go into the Pixel Perfect Builder into this website? You can do either one. I'm going to stay in Canvas. The next thing you need to do is go into your website and start working on content and design. And that's how you use Canvas to create the customer journey funnel in Builderall.